Morning children. In our previous two videos we discussed two lessons, sentences and phrases, noun and pronoun. Today we are talking about the adjective and degree of comparison, which is your lesson 3. In today's section we will talk about only adjective. Firstly, what is the meaning of adjective or what is the definition of adjective? An adjective is a word that tells more about a noun or pronoun. We can say any describing word that defines the noun pronoun more deeply. It talks about its quality, quantity and position. That is known as the adjective. Kinds of adjective. Mainly there are 10 types of adjective. In my last video I asked you to read the kinds of adjective. If you have read them, you already know there are so many types of adjective, that are 10. Number 1, adjective of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive, proper adjective, emphasizing adjective, participle and noun as adjective. You also read the kinds, quality in adjective of quality. We define the describe size, color, shape. In quantity, it tells us about how much of a thing. Example, some, much. In adjective, demonstrative adjective, there should be this, that, these. These all are related to the kinds of adjective. Now come to your exercise A. First, identify the adjectives and mention their kinds. Here we have to identify the adjective. Which adjective has been used? We have 10 types of adjective. We have to use from that adjective and also tell what is the kind of the adjective. Firstly, example. What he said an absolute truth. Here truth is the noun. The sentence is talking about the truth. Truth is noun. That is defining the truth by the word absolute. Here absolute is a adjective, or which adjective? It is emphasizing. In emphasizing, utter, absolute, as you can read. Number 2, his family invited me to the party. In this sentence we have me. Me is the example of possessive adjective. Third, his grandparents are of Indian origin. Indian origin. Here we are talking about the his noun, that is origin. From which now which origin? Indian origin. Here Indian word is defining the origin more comfortably, so that we can call it a proper adjective. In fourth sentence, give the beggar some food. Here the noun is food and it is defining more with the help of some. That is the adjective of quantity. In next sentence, 5 passenger. Here passengers are the noun that are more defining by the help of 5. It means that is the adjective of number. In next sentence, 6th, what question did the interviewer ask? Here we have the question mark, that is the symbol of interrogation. It means it is the adjective of interrogative adjective. Number 7, these walls need whitewashing. Here walls are the nouns that are more defined with the help of word these. So this is the here these is the adjective. These is also the demonstrative adjective. 8th number, Jackson was a popular musician. Here musician is the noun which is more defined by the help of popular. It means popular is the adjective and that is shows the quality of the musician, means adjective of quality. Now come to the next. Position of adjective. Firstly, you all have to know what is the position of adjective. The main positions of adjective are two types. Firstly, it is attributive position. Second, we will discuss later. Firstly, attribute position. An adjective is placed just before a noun when adjective is placed before a noun, that is called as the attributive position. Firstly, remember one thing, that in attributive position, adjective is just before a noun. For example, he is an intelligent boy. Here boy is the noun, and more defining word that describes the boy is intelligent. It is as I told you, when adjective is before a noun, that is called the attributive position. In second example, she is a beautiful lady. Here beautiful is the noun, that is more defined by with the help of beautiful. It means before noun, when adjective comes, that is the attributive. In second type, predicative position. Now predicative position, what is the predicative position? An adjective is placed after the linking verb. Such, firstly you have to learn these verbs: be, become, seem, look, appear. When in a sentence there are these verbs, it means that is the predicative position of the adjective. ठीक है. In other word, we can say that with a verb, when there is a after a verb, when there is a adjective, that is called the predicative position. Example, you look handsome. Here look is the verb. You all know look, looked, looked. It means it is the verb. After verb there is the adjective. It means it is the example of predicative position. He is happy. Is also here verb. Be, was, been, or is, be, is. So is verb. That is why happy is after the verb. That is the example of predicative position. Now look at the exercise. You appear horrified. Firstly, what we have to do in this exercise? Identify the adjective of quality and underline when they occupy the attributive position. We have to underline if it has the attributive, or we have to circle if it is a predicative position. I already told you about attributive and predicative position. I am repeating, before a noun, when adjective comes before a noun, that is attributive. When when verb come when adjective is placed after the verb, that is the predicative position. Now we are starting with the exercise. Harshvardhan was a just king. Here noun is king. The adjective is just before the noun, that's why it is the attributive example, attributive position of the adjective. After the executive journey, here we are talking about the journey. Journey is the noun, and the adjective is just before the noun, that is also attributive. Now third sentence, the window frame was green. Here we are defining the window frame, and we are describing is as green, which was after the verb was. That means it is the predicative. Fourth, the blind man. Here man is a noun, that is defining more by with the help of blind. That means it is the example of attributive. Number 5, an old man. Man, here again man, that is old. It means that is also the attributive. New neighbors who are new, means attributive. The beautiful princess damaged her shoes while dancing. Here princess is the noun, which is more defining with the help of beautiful. That is also the example of attributive position. 7, Simi's thin frame became weak due to illness. Simi thins. Simi thins frame. Now frame is a noun, and we are defining it with the help of thin. That is the example of attributive. Became, as I told you earlier, you have to learn some verbs that are be, became, seem. So here when we are talking about the weak, became weak, weak is just after the, weak is adjective, that is just after the verb, linking verb, so it is the example of predicative position. Now next, the performance of our team was brilliant. Here the performance of team is describing as the word brilliant, which is adjective that comes after the linking verb, so it is the example of predicative position. Now next, formation of adjective. Suffix means the group of some words which we add after the noun. For example, boy plus ish, the word will be boyish. Careful, golden, dirty, senseless, playful. Same here, ceaseless, commendable, tireless. So formation of adjective can be formed by adding suffixes to the word. Remember one thing, suffixes are added just after the noun. Now come to your exercise C. Make an adjective by adding suffixes to the word given below. Add full, ish, y and able. First, hope. As you all know, hope, we can add suffix full. Hopeful, foolish, silky, comfortable. Here we have completed the page number 14 and 15 of our lesson 3. In our next video, we will discuss the remaining part of the lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.